Davao Angeles.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sam Cepeda.
And now to the news. The Department of Foreign Affairs confirms that there are no arrested overseas Filipino workers in Saudi Arabia, and this comes as the Saudi government started its crackdown on undocumented and illegal workers in the kingdom.
We were informed by our embassy in Riyadh that the Saudi Interior Ministry officially announced the end of the grace period for undocumented foreigners last November 3.
Meanwhile, the group Migrante International worries about the safety of undocumented OFWs in the said country. Gary de la Paz of Migrante says that they have received reports that the Philippine Embassy in Saudi Arabia was unable to assist the Filipino workers there. However, Foreign Affairs Assistant Secretary Raul Hernandez assures that there were teams formed to help with OFWs who could be possibly arrested.
Naalarma kami at natatakot na sa magiging magiging pamamaraan ng panghuhuli ng Saudi government sa ating mga kababayan. Katulad ba ito na nangyari ng March 28? Nakasa napakadahas at may mga nasasaktan pa. At ano ba ang kahandaan ng gobyerno? At sila ba ay magbibigay ng panibagong extension? At kung walang extension, ano nga ba ang gagawin? Yung pumpahayag ni Secretary Coloma na magbibigay sila ng maglalaan ng 2 bilyon sa mga apektado pag sila ay nakauwi na. Resolbahin muna po natin kung paano sila mapapauwi.
Officials from the embassy and from the consulate general as well as from the Polo will be going around the police stations as well as the other government facilities there to including deportation centers and jails to ascertain if there are some people who are undocumented, Filipinos who are undocumented, and who would need our help and assistance.
Meanwhile, Nora Lipusin was one of the repatriated OFWs from Saudi Arabia when the crackdown started. She recounts the fear and suffering that her family experienced, especially since her husband died while waiting for repatriation. Lipusin also revealed that the Philippine Embassy officials in Riyadh allegedly did not immediately process her papers, but instead asked her for 100,000 pesos in exchange for an immediate repatriation.
Naku, sobrang nakakatakot po. Hindi po namin alam kung anong gagawin eh. Sa takot po na mahuli po kami.
Sabi mo namatay yung asawa mo habang naghihintay kayo ng repatriation.
Opo, namatay po siya sa banyo. Tapos nung nilapit ko po siya sa embassy po sa Riyadh, hindi po nila ako pinapansin. Yun po.
Hanggang sa nangyari na yun?
Hanggang po sa nangyari na yun. Minsan pa nga po sabi po nila sa akin, sabi po sa asawa ko magbayad po kami ng 100,000 po.
Para saan?
Para po makauwi po kami.
That's not true. You know, there are Filipinos there who have been taking advantage of the situation of our fellow Filipinos in Saudi Arabia. And they claim that they are from the embassy, or they are from the consulate, or they are from our labor attaché's office. And they require some payment of money to these Filipinos in exchange for their immediate repatriation.
The DFA continues to remind OFWs in Saudi Arabia to go to the Philippine Embassy to help them in obtaining exit visas.